So this case study class is different than the other classes that I've taken because we've actually been able to come out and see what we're learning, not just see it on the board through pictures or the book or whatever, the lectures, notes, and actually coming out to the site and looking around, walking around, talking to the different professionals. It brings so much more to the material that we're learning.
This is the only class I've taken that's been like where you've applied what you've learned in the field. You're getting to meet developers, you're getting to meet the McCaffrey. So that's a really cool aspect, being able to like take some of what we're talking about, some of the stuff that's floating around like theory, and kind of like meet the people who are working in the field.
I'm floored as to how much there really is behind, it's not just the design and all that side of it, it's the whole planning aspect. And just to see all of that, it was mind-boggling.
So I think the biggest thing I've learned was like how involved of a process something like this, start to finish, can be.
One thing that I really appreciated was being able to talk to the different people that were involved, the architects, we talked to the lawyers, and of course the McCaffreys. One of the huge things was being able to walk through for example, walking through the products. I was able to be like, oh, what is that? And why did you guys put that? And whoever actually made the decision was there and said, this is why we made that decision. So that was kind of amazing. And, because you don't get that from a lecture, from a PowerPoint. So that was the benefit of being here.
The most shocking thing was just kind of what's being built here, the story behind it, the vision.
This experience has solidified my interest in architecture, but also expanded my interest to include the planning site.